When sourcing track rollers, carry rollers, sprockets, idlers, and track chains, I bet you've heard terms like annealing, normalizing, quenching, tempering, medium frequency, high frequency, and Q and T. You know, they're all heat treatment processes. But how much do you actually know about what they do to your parts? Annealing, normalizing, quenching, and tempering are the foundations. By precisely controlling the heating temperature, holding time, and cooling speed, we reshape the metal's internal microstructure. This is how we program the parts to have the exact mechanical properties they need. Now, let's talk about Q and T, that stands for quenching and tempering. It's a high-temp combo designed to eliminate internal stress from forging or casting. It makes the structure uniform, giving the part that perfect, rock-solid balance between strength and toughness. Then there's medium and high-frequency treatment, known professionally as induction hardening. It uses electromagnetic induction to heat the surface instantly, followed by a rapid quench. Here's the trick: high frequency creates a shallow hardened layer perfect for pins or precision parts. Medium frequency, however, goes much deeper. That's why it's the go-to for heavy-duty components, like track roller treads and track link rail surfaces. In the world of heavy machinery, Q and T and medium frequency are the two most critical steps. Even though they both involve heating and cooling, their goals are totally different. To put it simply, Q and T is for a tough heart, and medium frequency is for a hard skin.